Antananarivo, also known by its colonial shorthand form Tana, is the capital and largest city of Madagascar. The administrative area of the city, known as Antananarivo-Renivohitra, is the capital of Analamanga region. The city sits at 1,280 meters above sea level in the center of the island, the highest national capital by elevation among the island countries. It has been the country's largest population center since at least the 18th century. The presidency, National Assembly, Senate, and Supreme Court are located there, as are 21 diplomatic missions and the headquarters of many national and international businesses and NGOs. It has more universities, nightclubs, art venues, and medical services than any city on the island. Several national and local sports teams, including the championship-winning national rugby team, the Makis, are based here. Antananarivo was historically the capital of the Merina people, who continue to form the majority of the city's 1,275,207 inhabitants. The surrounding urban areas have a total metropolitan population approaching 3 million. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.